Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a soundboard on Roblox VoiceChat. All right, so first up, exit out of Roblox or minimize it. Now go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay. Once done, go ahead and go to voice mod. Okay. Just hit on enter. Now click on the first link right here. Now click on download for free. Okay. Don't worry. This is not a virus and it works perfectly fine. Okay. Just go ahead and sign in with your Google or Discord, maybe Twitch, or if you have a different email, go ahead and use that in here. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in because I already did make an account a few years back. Okay. As you can see here, it lets me download the installer itself. Just click on save. Now open up the installer. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Hit on OK. Wait for it. Now click on next. I accept. Next. Next, 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 install. Okay, wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, it's pretty fast because this software right here is pretty small. Okay, as you can see here, it's done. Click on finish and it will launch a voice mod. You can go ahead and delete the installer. Here we have the shortcut. Okay, just wait for it. As you can see, the installation is done. Just click on get started. Now it will need to verify the account right here. Just click on open voice mod. Okay. Close this one. Okay. Now in here, just click on next. Now select your microphone. Make sure to select the correct microphone. Okay. Just click on the drop down and choose your available microphone or working microphone. Now select your headphones if you want to and just hit on next and start using voice mod. Okay. Just close this pop-up. Okay. Let's just go ahead over to soundboards right here in the left panel. Now, as you can see, we have these free ones. If you want to add one, as I've said earlier, just click on add. Now click on upload and it will open up your computer's drive. Okay. For example, this one, hit on open, click on it to preview. Okay. Now add your keybind. You can go ahead and add each sound right here, a keybind. Okay. For example, I have a honk right here, which is Control+1. Then I'm going to add in this one with Control+delete. All right, Control+delete, Control+1. Now let's go ahead over to a game in Roblox. Maybe this one. Make sure that you're playing a game that supports microphone. Okay. Now go ahead over to the Roblox settings. Go to settings right here. Select the correct microphone. Scroll down, and here we have input device. Okay. Go ahead and find microphone, voice mod, virtual audio. This one. Hit on resume. Now unmute yourself. As you can see, as I'm talking, my microphone is working. But if I press one of the hotkeys, for example, Control+1, as you can see, I'm going to be silent. That's Control+1 and Control+delete. And that is it. Let's go ahead and go to these people right here.
Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel.
And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.